Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the sound for joined groups notifications on the Facebook app when using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've noticed those constant notification sounds whenever someone joins a group you're part of, it can quickly become distracting. The good news is that Facebook gives you control over these alerts, and it only takes a few clicks to turn them off. Let's go step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the notifications icon. This is where you see all your recent alerts. Next, click on the three dots located near the notifications panel. This will open a small menu with additional options. From there, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage how Facebook sends you notifications. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Tags. This is where Facebook manages notifications related to tagging and group activities. Click into Tags and you'll see different notification options. Look for the setting related to joined groups. Finally, toggle off or disable the option for joined groups. Once you do this, Facebook will stop sending sound alerts for those specific notifications. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the sound for joined groups notifications, making your Facebook experience much quieter and less distracting. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to customize your Facebook settings even further.